How to fix the Snapchat login problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having trouble logging in on Snapchat, here are some of the process that you can follow. First of all, always make sure that the internet is stable. You can try switching between the mobile data or the Wi-Fi. After that, you also have to make sure that you have correct credentials put in. If you have forgotten your password, there is a link to reset it as well. Another thing you need to make sure is to update the Snapchat application to the latest version. For this, head over to App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Tap or search for Snapchat and check for updates. An outdated app can also cause login issues. Likewise, for the iOS devices, you can offload the application which clears the cache automatically. For Android users, head over to App Info and on Storage and Cache, you have to clear the cache. After that, relaunch the application and try to log in, which should probably fix the issue. However, sometimes the issue could also be from the Snapchat server side. In that case, you can check for websites such as Down Detector, and if there is an issue on their end, you'll have to wait until it gets fixed. But if none of this works, you can uninstall the app and install it again, which will solve the corrupted files. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.